Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money from Capital One credit card to another bank, so let's jump right in. To start, open the Capital One app on your phone. First, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to Account and Feature Settings. Before you can make any transfers, you'll need to link an external bank account. To do this, tap on Manage My External Accounts and follow the on-screen instructions to securely add the bank account you want to transfer money to. Once your external bank account has been successfully linked, go back to the home screen and tap on the Capital One account you want to transfer funds from, in this case, your credit card. At the top of the screen, just below your account balance, you'll see the option labeled Transfer Money. Tap on it to begin the transfer process. Now, select the account you're transferring money from and the external account you're transferring to. Enter the amount you'd like to send, and if you wish, you can also add a memo. As long as you have enough available credit or balance, the transfer will be processed, and the funds should be sent to your external bank account shortly.